Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix directory is not empty error code 0x80070091 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error code, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is go to Windows search and type CMD in search field and open command prompt Windows run as administrator mode. Command prompt windows will now open. Here the first workaround is try erasing the folder with the command prompt. If you are trying to erase or delete any folder and not deleting and such type of error code appear, then go to command prompt windows and execute the command rm directory s and it's where folder path written. Here put your folder path. How to check your folder path? Simply go to that problematic folder, right click on it and copy path, and thereafter go to your folder path option. Here paste it and simply copy all this command and simply paste it in command prompt windows. Remove this double semicolon, paste it in command prompt windows, and don't forget to remove this semicolon against starting and last, and press enter to erase all your folder through command prompt windows. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose task manager. Here in task manager windows, under processing tab option, look for file explorer or Windows Explorer. Restart your Windows Explorer process. So look for file explorer. You may type in search field file explorer or Windows Explorer in search field and look for Windows Explorer or File Explorer, which is in process mode in Task Manager. Simply type Windows Explorer in search field, Explorer, and select it and choose End Task or Restart Task. Choose Restart Task. After that, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next fixes is again go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. Command prompt windows will now open. Here execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files and repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% verification complete. After that, restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, go to Windows search and again type on CMD and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. Command prompt windows will now open. Here execute the command chkdsk/f. Here replace f with your drive letter and press enter. Choose yes if a next time the system restarts, choose yes and press enter. So run chkdsk command to execute to solve your issue.